Come test drive the 2016 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.